Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to paper trade on Tradingview, so you can practice stocks, futures, and options without risking real money. We'll cover both the web platform and the mobile app. First, log in to your Tradingview account. If you don't have one yet, head over to tradingview.com and create a free account from the sign-up options. Point, set up paper trading. Open any chart on the website. Scroll to the bottom and click the Trading Panel tab. Choose Paper Trading by Tradingview and click Connect, Authorize. A simulated brokerage balance, usually $100K USA dollars, appears at the bottom. Tip: paper trading handles equities and most future symbols out of the box. For live market options chains or professional futures margins, connect an Interactive Brokers paper account instead. It works the same way. Just pick Interactive Brokers in the trading panel and log in to your IB demo credentials. 2. Place your first paper trade. On the chart, right-click, Trade, Create New Order. Pick Market, Limit, or Stop. Enter the number of shares or contracts. Optional, enable Take Profit and Stop Loss. This mimics an ATM-style bracket. Click Buy or Sell. Manage open trades in the Orders Positions tab. 3. Paper trade on mobile, on iOS and Android, both. First, log in to the Tradingview app. If you're new, download the app from the App Store or Google Play and create an account. Open a chart. Tap the symbol search at the top to choose a stock, future, or option. At the bottom, tap the trade icon, 2 arrows. Tap Select Broker, choose Tradingview Paper Trading, Connect. To place an order, tap the blue plus, then select Buy or Sell. Set order type, quantity, and optional TP/SL. Tap Submit. Your simulated position now shows in Portfolio, bottom bar. 4. Switching between asset classes. Stocks. Type the ticker, AAPL, TSLA, and trade no. Futures. Use the CME or NYMEX symbol, ES1, CL1. Options. If you need full option chains, link an Interactive Brokers paper login. Then select the option symbol from the drop-down chain and trade just like shares. To do with paper trading, search in the bar and select options there. Here you will find everything related to the options. 5. Reset, edit, or close. To reset your demo balance, click the ellipsis. Next to paper trading in the trading panel, reset account. To edit TP or PSL, drag the lines on the chart or use the gear icon in the order row. To close a position, click the X in the Positions tab, WED, or swipe left on mobile and tap Close. And that's it. You now know how to paper trade stocks, futures, and options on Tradingview, both on the website and the mobile app. If this tutorial helped you, let us know in the comments. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe us. Bye-bye.